So what was it like coming back to defend after having such a great performance last year?
It was good. Like this is my favorite race, so it's good. It's just a hometown race, but definitely a lot more pressure than last year. Just this was kind of my breakthrough last year, and so then you have that pressure of like, oh, you almost had Rinny last year. Like it's your year this year, and so it's like that mental like. No, every year is different, but so definitely a little bit more pressure, but I tried to stay calm. So.
And how did the ride go with Melanie going off the front?
Oh my God, she had a great day out there, obviously. The run, like, it's been definitely an interesting off season for me, trying to balance losing some weight for the run, but then also giving up strength on the bike for me and finding that balance in triathlon instead of just being known as like the cyclist. So I think I'm still working on finding that balance of where I can keep my top end strength on the bike, but then still run way faster than I had in the past. So
what do you have to do to hit that balance?
I think it's just trial and error right now. Just, you know, maybe I've definitely lost a lot of muscle, which I'm running, you know, way faster. So I think just trial and error. This is, you know, my third year as a pro. So, you know, hopefully this year I can get it together, and then I'm just enjoying the journey of figuring it out and trying to get this sport down.
Congratulations on a great race.
Thanks.
Nicely done. Thanks for your time.